Maturka jazzy number 7 to Damsima Ronald. Jazzy number 7 passing Ampora Pora. Hirare Mukunda Ned Capteno. Passing Ampora Mavino Shabana Guiba. Mavino Shaba. Sharabantanuya. Mavino Shab. Crossing over Pora Jajumbir Kwanvisa Guamu. Back passing Pora. Now Ronald to Yamusima. Karo FC football player passing Pora. Bizambagamba Guatamu. Edwin Bumbu. Passing Pora. Narunda said Argumaho. Musina said Argumaho. Naizana Kanga Nabasa James. Akashisha Kizan Kangan Bajangu. Bajangu Nukur Kike district ya Ibanda. Hakasega Zaka Kumanyanka. Retom Krokuman Kanabasa James. Jase number 4. Hakenesi. Sairi Argumaho. Kose dakika itane zatarageza mu ceka cita cyo kubanza. Ibanda 0 Bushenyi 0. Batoreka Nabasa James. Tambula Pora ya line. Nabasa James Jase number 4. Najatu Muishe. Najatu Bushenyi, where are you? Passing on Pora Aporo Kagogwe Jase number 5. Abe Ibanda. Na yetaba jacha. Najatu Munyambe. No man in Yamuhachi. Atibuzumantire na Bibire yes Yona. No man in Yamuhachi. Can you make the difference? No man. Yamuhacha Katiba. Ibanda are the champions of 2026. What a lovely penalty. No man. Yamuhachi. I like how I predicted this. Matobu Stewart had been excellent. Ibanda are the champions of Ankole for the first time ever in history, winning it 5-4 in the sport kicks, and now that is the moment to celebrate. Ladies and gentlemen, finals are here. Mubachire. Aha. Kana nemitwara ashata tuza man of the matches are paid na zogurga. Certain feeling. Ibanda 2. When you play.